start with more packages for video reviews. Let's see what we got today. Renegade products. Oh, these are some cleaning products for the car. So this is a chrome polish and conditioner. Keep away from children. Combustible liquid may cause mild skin irritation. Avoid contact. If exposed, flush with water for 15 minutes and seek medical attention immediately. Wow, so pretty powerful stuff. I'll try it in a car later today. So here we have the perfect candidate for this product. This is a chrome polish and conditioner. And here we have Harley-Davidson street light that just came back from a long trip. And it's not terribly dirty. But here, for example, you see a little bit of dirt in the muffler. All the way here. We're gonna apply some of this product and see how it is. So let's see, these are different products for other things. Direction: use a small amount of pipe rim with a foam applicator or premium microfiber. Apply a linear motion, let it dry for 2-3 minutes, and after drying, buff with a clean microfiber towel or ridge luster. So here's the proud owner of the Harley Street Glide. So let's see. Oh, this, I thought it was a spray, but it's not. It's just like
these are microfiber towels.
Yeah, so here you go. I mean, it's not terribly dry, I mean dirty, but where did you go today?
I went up to Fort Lauderdale.
So what, 50 miles up?
Yep.
Can you open it? There you go. Oh, so it's like a cream, like a consistency of a wax kind of thing, right? So let's see, it says like put a little bit, then put it in a linear way, so I guess maybe that's good. So how often do you clean the motorcycle? Or never?
Every time I go out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So this maybe will save you from doing that, because allegedly this has a coating that will stay with it. No, you said you put it and leave it there. So put a little bit and leave it 2-3 minutes, it said. Yeah, just like that, and leave it there, and then we will polish it. A little more here. Yeah, just put like that. What about here, the muffler? It's actually, it's not very dirty considering that you went out today. Well, it's not raining today, so maybe that's why. So here a little bit more, maybe. Which other part? One on the other side, maybe. Okay, let's do the other side then. I mean, this one has a lot of chrome, actually. Look at this side. Here, you want more? So what do you clean it with regularly?
Whatever I have.
Oh, like nothing in particular?
No, depending on how dirty it is.
Okay.
Like Windex will do it.
Well, this again has like a coating that will keep it cleaner longer. But look at this, like this part is kind of dirtier here, and maybe here in the front. Well, it says it's for chrome, but maybe you can, that's like aluminum, right?
Yeah, that's aluminum.
Okay, that should do it. And then you need more with that thing. Oh, here actually. So they say
It dries up.
Yeah, it dries up, and that's what probably applies the extra coating. And you ride a lot, right? Like every weekend, pretty much?
Pretty much. I just came back from Daytona.
Oh, Daytona Bike Week.
Yes.
That must have been nice. You saw everything there. Okay, I'm gonna say it's 3 minutes. Executive order. Let's see how clean it comes out.
Let's see.
Not yet. We can wait a little bit. Oh, actually, no, it's coming out now.
Actually, does a good job.
I think the only thing is that we were gonna need like a deeper brush, or going to the little around the third. Yeah, there you go. Because if these things stay there and dry, that's bad, because they will stay. So
this is why it takes so long with chrome.
Yeah,
You gotta get into every little nick and cranny.
wow, it's like really shiny. Oh, look at this, like a mirror now. I think it does a great job, actually. Wow, this little part. Oh, we missed this one here. Maybe just do it like that. We're gonna let that one dry because that was before. Let's do this one here. Actually, see the other
I'd say it
side.
does a great job.
Too bad we, I think we have a little bit of before and after footage. And it's kind of easy, right, to apply and take out, right?
Yeah. It's super easy because it's thick. So it sticks.
And you can see, actually. Okay, I'm gonna do this part here. I think it's shiny, for sure. Let's see this thing on the top, that was pretty bad on the tank. It's like adding mirrors to the motorcycle. How are you?
Hey.
Is that a new bike?
Look, is that a new bike? It looks so shiny. They think it's new.
Hey, it's not new?
No.
We just cleaned it. That's a good testament, actually. That's a good proof that the product works. Well, there you have it. I think that's the best
That's
review
the best reaction.
reaction that we can get. Somebody
Yeah.
thought this was a completely brand new bike. So
Very
again,
nice.
this is supposed to last. The wax synthetic filters protect your chrome and leave it at a rich, bold luster. I think it's true.
For sure true.
There's all yours now.
Perfect. Thank you, Javi.
Good job from Renegade Pipe Dream Chrome Polish and Conditioner. A nice bike. Don't get it, well, get it dirty again, but I think it's gonna last longer.
Wow.
Is that a new bike, she said? Good job, okay.
Very
Thank
good.
you.
Thank you, Javi.